Good day. My name is Paul Edwards. I am the owner of Possibility Plus Financial Services. I can help you or anyone you know with life insurance, annuities, health insurance, Medicare, and long-term care. You can call me today at 321-557-1155. And as we all know, we are in what we call the enrollment period. Medicare enrollment started from October the 15th to December the 17th. During this period of time, it gives you the chance to review and make changes to your current Medicare coverage. So again, you can call me. I can help you with your Medicare plan. It is also the enrollment period for health insurance. The enrollment period started from November the 1st, and it goes until January the 15th, basically. And during this period, you can sign up again for your health insurance, and I can help you to enroll, re-enroll, or change your healthcare plan. Your coverage can start as soon as January the 1st, 2024, but you may only have until January the 15th to enroll or change your health plan for the year. If you want to know more about how to enroll in the health insurance, please call me at 321-557-115. Or if you want any help, any questions concerning your Medicare, please call me again. I said at 321-557-1155. And I want to, as I do my brief, or what I call it, Insurance Fridays. I do it on Friday and on Monday. And I've been answering the 10 most popular questions clients are asking about. The first one was, can I get life insurance if I have cancer? And as I had said prior, the answer is yes. You can get, regardless of your ailment, you can get guaranteed life insurance coverage. Can I get life insurance on my parents? Again, I had said to you, the answer is yes. Can I get life insurance on my boyfriend? And again, I said to you, the answer is yes, as long as you have what we classified as insurable interest. And I want to clarify that for all my listeners. Insurable interest means that if the person was to pass, would it affect you financially? If the person was to pass, would it affect you financially? So you are living together with your boyfriend, your fiance, you're living together. You are sharing the cost to meet your monthly expense. And if one or both of you were to pass, would it affect you? That is what insurable interest is speaking about. And so we had said the answer was yes. Can I get life insurance on anyone? The answer is no, because you have to prove that you have insurable interest. You have to prove that if the person was to die, it would affect you financially. And then the next question was, which was the fifth question, can I get insurance on my ex-husband or my ex-wife? And the answer is yes, but it depends. Yes, but it depends. Again, you have to prove insurable interest. How would it affect me financially if my ex was to die? And in many cases, especially when there is children and depending on the age of the children, or when there is alimony, the court many times order the husband to take out the husband or the wife to take out an insurance policy and name their ex. Because if you're paying alimony and you were to pass, then that payment to your ex would stop and they would suffer from it. So the court makes an order to take out a life insurance to protect the loved ones if you were to pass. And in the same breath, if you have children and your passing would affect the children, many times the court order you to take out a life insurance policy against your life so that if you were to pass, the children would not suffer financially. And the sixth question we dealt with, can I get life insurance at age 70? And as we had said, yes, you can get life insurance at age 70. Many carriers offer life insurance up to age 75. And many other carriers offer life insurance up to age 90, right? It just depends on the carrier and it depends on the type of insurance. So yes, you can get life insurance. So now the next question is, and the question number 7, can I get life insurance on my dog? That's a question people asking. Can I get life insurance on my pet? And you have what is called a pet mortality and theft insurance. It is a property and casualty insurance. So yes, so there are property and casualty insurance companies that offer pet mortality and theft insurance. So you can insure your pets under one of these policies. So these are firms that specializes in insuring working animals and other animals with an unusual high value. So yes, you can get insurance on your dog. The next question is, can I get life insurance on someone without them knowing? Right? So they call this stranger-owned life insurance. In most cases, no. And this was stated by Northwestern Mutual. Parents can take out insurance on their children's lives without the children's knowledge or consent. That is true. Parents can take out life insurance on their children without the children knowing or their children consent. Other applicants who want to buy policies covering other people's lives must get consent from the adult insured and consent from the parents of any child insured who will be covered. So in other words, as a mother, as a father, you can take, as long as the child is below a certain age, you can take out the life insurance on the child. The child does not have to know it. I have life insurance on my child, and I always encourage my clients to do that, and I'm encouraging you to do that. Someone says, why do I want life insurance on my child? I don't want to profit off my child dying. But life insurance, firstly, death is unavoidable, and we don't know when it's going to come. That's number one. But number two, especially when it comes to children, taking out a whole life policy is a good investment, is a good policy for your child. It builds cash value. And over time, by the time that child reaches adult and you transfer over that policy to the child, they are going to have a good fixed asset. So I didn't take out a life insurance on my child because I'm saying, well, I want to have it just in case he dies. No, I took it out because I know it's a good instrument, financial instrument to have for your children. It builds cash value. There are some policies, if you take it out, a whole life policy, an indexed universal life, or a variable universal life policy. A parent can take out for their young child, a child who's just born, maybe, and they do a custom whole life policy. which can build significant cash value, where when that child reaches adulthood and you hand it over to them, they can have a policy with 30, 40, 50,000 in cash value. And then the debt benefit has also grown. So now it becomes a gift to the child that they have it for their children. So doing a life insurance policy for your children or your child is an excellent investment to do. So yes, you can take it out for your child without them knowing. However, if you are going to take out a policy for an adult over the age of consent, the adult has to sign the policy, has to approve it. Therefore, there has to be an agreement with it. And again, remember, there must be insurable interest. So that is very, very important. And now question number 9, the final question for today. Can I get life insurance without a social security number? Right? And this is concerning immigration. So again, it depends on the companies. It depends on the rules that the companies use. Right? Those are what will determine it. So there are insurance companies that will sell life insurance to applicants who have individual taxpayer identification number rather than social security number. So there are persons who are immigrants here who don't have at this time their social security and they want life insurance, right? There are companies that will use a taxpayer identification number rather than a social security number. So clients may use ITINs rather than social security numbers because they live outside the United States, are in the United States for only a short period, are in the United States without proper documentation. So yes, if you have a tax identification number with some companies, you can get life insurance without a social security number. That's the final question I want to add to talk to you about today. On Monday, God willing, life sparing, when we are back for Insurance Mondays, then I will answer other questions. You can text me your questions also. Text me at 321-557, 321-557, and I will answer your questions. Now, remember, again, I close out by saying that we are currently in Medicare and health insurance enrollment period. So if you have any health insurance questions, you can call me, or any Medicare questions, you can call me at 321-557-1155. Also, if you have any life insurance questions, you can call me at 321-557, or any questions concerning long-term care or annuities. Whatever the insurance need, you can call me today, Paul Edwards, at 321-557-1155. Have a blessed day. Have a great weekend. As we all know, it's Veterans Day. And so we want to remember our veterans, and especially at this time where we are seeing an increase in war, and we see what is taking place in Gaza, what is taking place in Ukraine. And war, as I remember a songwriter said, war is not a nice something. And therefore, we see our brutalities. So let us remember all veterans today, and let us continue to pray for peace. God bless you. God willing, life sparing. I will see you again on Monday with Insurance Mondays.